I'm sure it will be super easy to get the team on board with the extra workload, no? And you've already seen what a great group effort they bring to the table. Also, you told me that the team building exercise was quite a hit.
Um, Actually, it wasn't as much of a hit as I may have implied.
Hi everyone. Hi, hello. So I'm all set for my presentation now and I want to thank each one of you for all your help and insights. We have organized a Super Coach Connect session for you all and it should not take more than 2-3 hours. It should be fun, so enjoy. See ya. Bye-bye.
क्या यार, wish they would just let us go home instead. I mean, I wanted to go home early today anyway.
Arey, you are young bachelor. You can stay out till late and party. Think of me. I have wife and son waiting at home. I could be spending time with them rather than whatever this exercise is.
This whole narrative is getting really old, man. So what if we are young and unmarried? This feels very prejudiced to imagine that whatever we want to do outside of work is futile compared to a family setup.
यार, I just don't like this entire you are young, you party narrative only. I mean, why can't I just go home to water my plants or play with my pets?
हाँ, वैसे भी for our generation, plants are the new pets and pets are the new babies.
As if you both won't jump at the chance of having babies and go on your maternity leaves.
I can't believe he just said that.
I can.
You know what? Just the other day, Sangeeta rolled her eyes at me for going on a leave because I had extreme period pain. Khud to, she went for a sabbatical for a whole year.
Are you kidding? She went for a year? I thought she had gone only for 2 months, yeah.
I mean, it's pretty cool and all to be able to go for a sabbatical and still come back without any judgment from leadership. I sure judge her for coming back without any emotional growth. What a waste of a sabbatical, yeah.
Hello everyone. So Radhika has given us this time for our Super Coach Connect activity and I have planned a few fun activities for us all so that we can get to know ourselves and each other better. Are you guys excited? No. Come on guys, Radhika has told us to do this.
This is such a waste of time, yaar. We could have been easily working on the Jungpura project.
हाँ यार, I also wanted to utilize this time in a better way, you know. Especially the pay cycle is coming up, and I was supposed to be on the client location for the project.
Yeah. I've already asked Neha to be available in case we need someone on the client location. Since we can't send you, and I will be in Daman at that time, so.
So guys, I want you to take a piece of paper and draw any animal that you think represents you or your personality.
What is this, yaar? Is this necessary? I mean, drawing and all, we just play from this D&I toolkit.
Yeah, I agree with you, right.
Guys,
on,
let's just
guys.
play this.
Come on guys, we have to do this.
Fine.
What we can do now? Just guys, can someone please pass a paper?
It's just waste of money. Waste of time.
You are a definite owl in those classes.
Oh, acha, you are a fox. You think you are smarter than us?
Okay guys, so let's take a small break for snacks.
Okay. Yeah.
अरे संगीता जी, have you ordered the snacks or what? Idlis and vadas only? Why there is no samosas for us Punjabis? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा जी?
I didn't order this food, okay?
Arey, I am only joking. Don't get offended, yaar.
Whatever, man.
What happened to her, man?
Come on, guys, let's take a group picture.
Yes. Yeah, join.
Smile.
I think I'm more like a rabbit. I'm quick with my tasks. I love carrots and I'm cute, no?
I think, excuse me. So I think I'm a lion because I think I'm a leader.
Yeah, leader of taking leaves, huh?
That lion needs to hit the gym.
अरे ये मुफासा नहीं मुखासा है मुंह पे खांसता है
This is a phoenix. It's a mythological bird that rises from its own ashes. I too feel that I'm born again and I'm incredibly unique.
Hey, that's cheating. That bird is not real animal. Does she mean she is not real? I mean, he or sorry, they, them, jo bhi.
My pronouns are they, them, Sangeeta.
Arey, I don't remember these things only. It's so hard to keep track.
It's actually not that hard.
I told you, here everyone just say things without even realizing.
Don't generalize like that.
Look who's talking. Boss, you also generalized young people.
Yeah, as you generalize women, right?
Seriously? So guys think you all are a bunch of victims?
Yaar, I don't understand. And what I said wrong, yaar?
What you said wrong? You only started everything. It's not that hard to remember.
So, it seems that the team building exercise was quite a fiasco.
Yeah, that was quite a waste of time, to be honest. All these exercises, they're full of jargons and completely meaningless, according to me.
Yes, I'm sure, but we also need to check our own attitude, right? Whether we want to be the part of the team or not. I just don't mean work-wise, but simply what kind of people we want to be in general. We must not diminish other struggles by comparing ours.
You are young bachelor. You can stay out till late and party. Think of me. I have wife and son waiting at home.
Neha, it's time that we imbibe the true meaning of being allies rather than claiming to be one.
Are you kidding? She went for a year? I thought she had gone only for 2 months, yeah.
What a waste of a sabbatical year.
We may consider ourselves as allies, but we end up making the mistake of being their voice rather than hearing them out.
I've already asked Neha to be available in case we need someone on the client location. Since we can't send you, and I will be in Daman at that time. So,
Dear, let's not expect empathy and inclusive actions only from leadership, but also among ourselves.
I sure judge her for coming back without any emotional growth. What a waste of a sabbatical year.
Arun, we must learn to not hide our biases behind our jokes.
Ayyo, Sangeeta ji, have you ordered the snacks or what? Idlis and vadas only? Why there is no samosas for us Punjabis? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा जी?
Dear, it's never too late to correct our mistakes and check on ourselves, right?
I mean, he or sorry, they, them, jo bhi.
It's always better to be mindful of what you say in passing, even to your friends.
As if you both won't jump at the chance of having babies and go on your maternity leaves.
Right?
Sorry, Neha, and everyone.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, Injil.
संगीता जी, sorry.
You all may have felt that this exercise was lame, but let me show you what kind of animal I think I am. Actually, not an animal, but an insect. I believe that being an ant is a symbol of being a part of a good super coach team. They build their colonies with hard work by being communicative, collaborative, with mutual respect, with mutual support. I think that we can all learn a lot from these traits and effectively try to become better. It may have seemed like a wasteful exercise, but I think if you have more positive approach, even the mundane workshops can be meaningful and remind us that coming to work every day can be a lot more fulfilling than just accomplishing basic tasks and maintaining attendance. We can only pace up our growth as individuals if we accelerate action. It's not just the responsibility of the leadership or the D&I team, but also all of us together are responsible for accelerating change. So, will you all lions and rabbits and phoenixes please become an ant with me?
Only if you stop calling us guys and say folks maybe.
Sorry. So, folks,